Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So how you can activate screensaver? So how you can do that? Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so start, click on start and search settings. When you see settings icon, click the setting icon and open the settings. Okay, now you can see the personalize option in left hand side. Okay, click on personalize option, then slide down little bit and you can see the lock screen option. Okay, so click on lock screen option. When you click on lock screen option, slide down little bit, slide down little bit. Now you can see here we have a option screensaver. It's called screensaver. Okay, so click on it. When you click on it, the new wizard come. Okay, the new wizard come. If you uncheck, if you if there's two possibility. If you don't have uncheck this option, so click on resume. Okay, on resume. Okay, and you can select any kind of activity here, just like a bubble, blank, or mystery photo. Anything you can select from here. Okay, and you can set your timing, 15 minute, 5 minute, 2 minute. Okay, whatever you want, and click on resume. Okay, and then save it and okay, and that's it, you did it. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you're new here, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Bye.